Claude. Claude is an AI assistant created by Anthropic, a company founded by former OpenAI researchers, including Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei. Anthropic focused heavily on building AI systems that feel safer, calmer, and more reliable for long conversations. Many people use it for writing, research, coding, and analyzing large documents because it handles long context very well. For example, someone can upload an entire research paper or business report and ask detailed questions about it. Anthropic quickly became one of the biggest AI startups in the world, backed by billions from Amazon and Google. Even though ChatGPT is more widely known, many professionals quietly prefer Claude for serious work because of its strong reasoning and natural communication style. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the AI tool that made artificial intelligence mainstream. It was created by OpenAI, the company led by Sam Altman. When ChatGPT launched in 2022, it spread across the internet faster than almost any app before it. Suddenly, students, programmers, writers, and office workers were all using AI in their daily lives. What made ChatGPT special was how natural it felt. People could ask questions normally instead of typing search keywords. Over time, it became much more powerful, adding voice conversations, image understanding, coding support, and memory features. OpenAI itself grew into one of the most valuable AI companies in the world because ChatGPT proved that AI could become part of everyday life for millions of people. Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI system, developed by Google DeepMind under CEO Demis Hassabis. Since Google already owns products used by billions of people, Gemini quickly became integrated into Search, Gmail, YouTube, Android, and Google Docs. One thing that makes Gemini different is its multimodal ability, meaning it can understand text, images, audio, and video together. For example, users can upload a photo and ask Gemini questions about it while continuing the conversation naturally. Google has enormous computing power and AI research experience, which makes Gemini one of the strongest competitors in the industry. Many people see it as Google's attempt to protect its dominance in the Internet era while moving into the AI era. Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine created by Aravind Srinivas and his team. Instead of showing endless pages of links like traditional search engines, Perplexity gives direct answers with sources attached underneath. That simple idea made it very popular among students, researchers, and professionals. People like it because they can ask complicated questions and quickly get summarized information without opening 10 browser tabs. Even though Perplexity is much smaller than Google, it grew incredibly fast and reached a multi-billion-dollar valuation because many believe AI search could become the future of how people use the internet. Grok. Grok is the AI chatbot created by Elon Musk's company xAI. It is connected closely with X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. Unlike many AI assistants that sound formal and careful, Grok was designed to feel more casual and humorous. Musk described it as an AI with personality. Because it connects directly with X, Grok can also react to trending topics and live discussions in real time. That gives it an advantage during breaking news or online events. Even though Grok entered the AI race later than ChatGPT or Claude, it gained huge attention quickly because of Elon Musk's global popularity and influence in the tech world. DeepSeek. DeepSeek became one of the biggest surprises in the AI industry. The company, based in China, released AI models that performed far better than many people expected. What shocked the tech world was that DeepSeek achieved strong results while reportedly spending much less money than major American companies. This started serious conversations about whether AI development really needs endless billions of dollars. DeepSeek also became popular among developers because some of its models were released openly for researchers and engineers to study. Many people now see DeepSeek as proof that the AI race is becoming truly global. Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered coding editor designed for programmers. Instead of opening a separate chatbot, developers can use AI directly inside their coding workspace. Cursor can explain bugs, rewrite code, generate functions, and even understand large projects. That makes programming faster and less repetitive. Many developers describe it as having an AI coding partner beside them while they work. As AI coding tools became more powerful, Cursor quickly became one of the most talked about products in software development communities. Startups and tech companies now rely heavily on tools like Cursor to improve productivity. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is one of the leading AI voice companies in the world. Earlier, text-to-speech systems sounded robotic, but ElevenLabs created voices with natural emotion, pacing, and tone. Users can generate narration for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, or even clone voices using short recordings. That realism made ElevenLabs extremely popular among creators and businesses. At the same time, it also raised concerns about fake audio and misinformation, because AI voices are becoming harder to distinguish from real human speech. Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the most famous AI image generators ever created. The platform became popular because of its highly artistic and cinematic image style. Users simply type a description, and Midjourney creates detailed artwork within seconds. For example, someone can ask for a futuristic city during a rainy sunset and receive images that look like movie concept art. Midjourney exploded through creative online communities, especially Discord, where millions of users shared AI-generated images daily. Designers, filmmakers, and social media creators now use it constantly because it allows people without drawing skills to create professional-looking visuals. Suno. Suno is an AI music generation platform that can create full songs from simple text prompts. And Suno generates lyrics, vocals, instruments, and melody together. That ability made it feel almost magical when people first experienced it. Suno became extremely popular online because users started sharing AI-generated songs across social media. Unlike traditional music software that requires technical skills, Suno makes music creation accessible to almost anyone. As AI music technology improves, many people believe tools like Suno could completely change how songs are created in the future.